Select the given sample company. Click on Entries and proceed to Incoming Invoice. Enter the vendor name. Select the purchase order number from the drop-down list which was created earlier from Auto Documents. Key in the Receive Invoice number. Click Go to view Purchase Order Details. Choose Assign Payment Now and select specific accounts type and category. Choose No to make payment later and click on Save Invoice button. Select Payment Out tab and enter the vendor's name in Payee column. Click on Go to make payment and enter the description. To select the invoice, tick the box and click on Payment Details. Fill in all the information accordingly and click on Save button. Your invoice has been saved successfully. Go to Auto Accounts tab below to log in. Select Sample Company and click on Entries. Go to General Ledger and select Unapproved GL. You can view your payment in Unapproved GL and tick right button to approve GL. Once your GL is approved, you can view in Reports.